Imagine a space where parents and children come together to understand and manage emotions in a fun and interactive way. Welcome to the Focus on Emotions Family Workshop. Our workshop is designed for parents and children aged 8 to 12. Together we explore how emotions work, what they are trying to tell us, and how to respond to them in a healthy way. Using brain-body connections, we help children and parents recognize emotional cues, build self-awareness, and develop practical tools to manage emotions. We explore emotions in a fun and engaging way, from creative exercises like guessing emotions to team games that teach emotional regulation. Every activity is designed to bring out the best in kids and their parents. Why join the Focus on Emotion workshops? To create stronger, more empathetic connection with your child, equip your family with tools to handle life challenges together, and because emotional skills are life skills. Focus on Emotion workshop, it's not just a workshop. It's an investment in your family's emotional well-being and your child's future. Let's explore emotions together. Join Focus on Emotion family workshops in person and online.